welcome back to my new video of the chapter water, and today I am going to tell you the reasons for shortage of water. This is the second part of the chapter water, and I am going to tell you the reasons of shortage of water and the conservation of water, means how to conserve water. So let's start. Before starting, I would like to tell you that please like, subscribe and share my channel Haste Haste Padhna Education channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. So let's start. And friends, you will subscribe it because you get great information of physics, chemistry and maths on this channel. I upload the videos regularly Monday to Monday, every Monday, and I hope you also have watched the videos before it. The playlist of the videos are available, and the description box there is a link of the channel where you can find all the videos uploaded till now. So let's start. Reasons of shortage of water. See, as we all know that water is in big quantity in our earth. Means all of the earth, 70% of the earth is covered with water. So here, but only 0.3 to 0.4% only water is available for drinking. Means is drinking water. Means rest is salty water or dirty water or impure water. But on whole of the earth, 70% of the water, only 0.3 to 0.4% of the water is in the form which we can drink. So as we all know that in today's time the water is in very shortage, means the water is not in a good amount. We waste it very much, so water is not available easily. Some people also in some places there are shortage of water. People have to go long far distances like 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers just to bring water. So water is a very necessary thing. Then reasons for its shortage are too much wastage. Means when we use water, suppose when you get up in the morning and you brush your teeth, many tell in the description box, tell me in the comments box, tell me that how much of you use your tap on whole of the time when you brush your teeth, or you fresh up. Means some people do not waste water. They stop the tap when they do not use water while brushing, bathing or freshening up. But some people do not care of water and they just open it, they just wet their brushes and then they just धुल लेते हैं brushes को, and then they do their brushing of teeth and the tap is only on. So that open tap, the water goes on and on, so all the water gets waste because where it is going? It is somewhat pure water only because it has come from the ground water and gone to the tanks of our houses. But when we waste it, where does it go? It goes straight to the nala or nali, means the drainage system. It goes down directly to the drainage system, and the drainage system is where all the water which is wasted is collected. Then the drainage system, all the impure water and all the bad things, your insects and means all the impurities are there in drainage water. So it becomes totally waste for the water. But if we close the tap when we have wet our brush, so what will happen? We can use it that water for many times. Suppose if you waste your water in the whole world, the average percentage of water that is wasted in bathing, drinking, means except 2 to 3 liters of water is required for an average man to bath. Not 2 to 3 but 4 to 5, means it is the maximum, around 1 bucket. 4 to 5 liter is 1 bucket, and this much water is only required for a person to bath. But about 220 tons, means 20 tons in UP. In 20 tons in water is used in UP every day, which is wastage of water in bathing, cooking and other things. So this is a very big wastage, and if we conserve it, we have water for a long time. But as we know today, the water is getting lower and lower. The water meter is going lower and lower. Means people, early people, means not early, but 2-3 years back, people don't have to use so much down submersibles or motors to take out water. But today the submersibles or motors have to go very deep to find water. So it is a big thing to worry, because without water we cannot just imagine our life. I have told you in the last video of this chapter that what is life without water. Then careless use of water on daily use, that I only tell you, that brushing, bathing and freshening up. Then drainage from factories. See, when in the factories the things are made, like in the factories drainage mein, like if a product is made, and while using a product, some of the water is used to wash the product, then that water is not so bad that it should be drained out. Means that water can be stored and can be used again for the another purpose. Suppose you have washed one product with the you have washed one product with 1/2 liter of water, and then you use another product, and another 1/2 liter of water will be wasted. So what we can do is, we just keep a bucket, half of the bucket will filled, and we just pour the product in it and keep it out. So what will be there, the 20 to 30 of the products will use only 2 liters of water. And in the early, what it was going, that if we use 30, so 15 liters of water would be wasted. Not wasted, half. If we can use the water only in 2 liters, means we can do the work in only 2 liters. So why to waste 15 liters for that? So drainage from factories, use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. See, when we use chemical fertilizers or pesticides in the water, that water is of no use after we use it once, because when we have poured that water in the fields, we cannot use it again for different purpose. So chemical fertilizers and pesticides is a bad thing for water, because it reduces the water amount and we cannot use it multiple times also. So reasons for its shortage I have told you. Then conservation of water. One of the biggest problems in the world is water scarcity. Almost all countries suffer from it, and many of them cannot find the most effective solutions to avoid difficulty. The meaning of the world water crisis is very easy to understand, but solving it is very difficult. The amount of world water is limited as the population is growing fast. The necessity of water use is growing even faster. This essay will examine the world water crisis, specifically in China, because it is the country with the most serious water shortage problems in the world. So, also this essay will suggest you the possible solutions on solving this problem and evaluate them. Through this step, although to stop the water shortage problems difficult and costly, it takes a lot of money. So today we are going to study this much, and I am going to explain you right now. So see, as I have told you that we waste water a lot. So on this video we should promise to each ourselves that we should save water and we should not waste waters on the on bathing, cooking or daily use purposes. So conservation of water means one of the biggest problem means there are many countries which suffer because India is a country where lot of water is available, because at many places like Rajasthan there is less water. People have to go long distances just to find water. So here one of the biggest problems in the world is water scarcity. Scarcity means loss of water, means shortage of water. Shortage of water is a very big problem in the world. Almost all countries means most of the countries in the world cannot find the most effective, means many countries are effective, many countries are affected by this problem that there is less water. So till now most of the countries have not found any effective method to stop water shortage, but many countries have found. The water crisis is the water shortage only. So I have told you that what is water crisis. If I tell you, it is very easy to understand. Just the loss of water is water scarcity or water crisis. But to solve this problem is very difficult, because the people of the countries are trying their best to solve this problem, but they are not successful in finding. Many countries take water from other countries, means some days back there were some countries who were taking water from India, means the tanks were going, full trains were going to the airport to transfer water, and the aeroplanes were going from one country to another to transfer water. And there is a big issue of water shortage, water crisis in China, because there is millions and trillions of population in China, and it is and it is growing also, and it is very difficult, and the need of water is also growing. So it is very difficult to just solve the water crisis in China. So we should understand, means we are those people who are watching this and living in India, so they must understand the water importance and must save it, because like China, China is the first largest country in population wise, and India is the second largest country in population wise. So we should understand the importance of water, because some day can come if we do not stop water wastage. Someday can come when water will be ended on this planet. May come, but in India there would be water crisis. So I hope you have understood. If not, what you liked and what you disliked, what is the problem, please tell me in the description, please tell me in the comment box, and you can find all the other videos uploaded till now in the description box of physics, chemistry and maths. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, Haste Haste Padhna Education channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. Bye friends. Be safe, be safe from coronavirus, and be home, because most in many areas the lockdown has ended, but then also we should stay at home.